Hello guys, welcome back in my YouTube blog Mr. and Mrs. Pudasaini. Hope all you are doing well. So guys, today vlog is a mini blog and I can reveal you later where we are going.
Guys, we are going to St. George Basin in Jervis Bay. So guys, हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं अपनी डेस्टिनेशन पे। तो यहाँ पे जो व्यूज है बहुत ही अच्छा है, देखते हैं। देखो आप व्यूज एंजॉय करो।
Now finally we are in our destination. This place is especially for fishing sport and the swimming as well. As you can see that in the background people are doing fishing and some kids are doing swimming. So enjoy the ride. So guys, we are reaching to our next destination, which is Port Harbour Beach in Jervis Bay. And one of the special thing is that here you can enjoy with stingrays. So you can see, we can touch and we can feel the stingray with the waves. So this is one of the interesting and joyful moment which we have here. So guys, enjoy. So guys, stingray is very dangerous if you gonna touch their tail. So it's a bit dangerous with their tail, but in other part of the body you can touch it, you can feel it and you can enjoy it. So if you are planning to go there, just make sure you don't touch their tail. Other part is all well. So guys, I hope you like my this mini blog. अगर आपको मेरा ये ब्लॉग अच्छा लगा तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो, कमेंट करो। शेयर तो आप जितना चाहे उतना ही कर सकते हैं। आपका ब्लॉग है, आप ही का ही वीडियो है। ओके गाइस, बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग।